In this video, I will show you step by step how to copy any clip in new project in CapCut. So if you want to copy a project to new project in CapCut, let me show you step by step how to do it. First step, after you open up the CapCut, so let's say now I want to copy this last clip, this one. So if you want to copy the clip, so the first thing to do now, you right click on the clip that you want to copy to your new project. So I want to copy this one to my new project. So I'll right click on the project on the clip like this. After you right click, so now scroll to down or you go to up and tap on this save to preset button. So now you are saving this clip as a preset in your CapCut. So after you finish saving the clip as a project as a preset, so the next thing to do, now you go to this up at the top left side. After you tap on the menu, so now go to this back to home page. So after you tap on the back to home page, so now it will open the interface for your CapCut like this for you. So the first thing to do after you open the interface, now you open the project that you want to use the clip that you save. So let's say I want to use the clip inside this project. So I open the project. So now it's loading. So now after I open the project like this, so the next thing to do, you go to your this site under media, then you go to yours. After you go to yours under the media, so from there now you'll be able now to go to all presets or your under the media go to library. So after you open the project that you want to use the clip that you save, so you go to this site media, under the media, then you go to yours. After you tap on the yours, then go to my preset and allow it to finish loading. So after it finishes loading, so from there you scroll to down, you go to down, so from there you'll be able now to see the clip that you save. So here is now the clip. So all I have to do, I will now just drag the clip to my timeline like this. So now here is the clip. So now here is the clip. Now if you want to use the clip, now you can go ahead now and use it in your new project in the CapCut. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.